black Jaguar. Shit is nice. Oh, he got that turn automatic start stop mess. I hate that. 3.0 Jaguar. That's tight. God damn, look at that Audi. An Audi or a Mustang? It's an Audi, man. Sounding like that. Oh, wow. All you need is a paint job. I would have that. That's nice. It's probably in better shape than my car. What? Dirty. I think I'm gonna do a review on 2018 Honda Accord Sport. And I don't do car reviews. That's not my thing. But this car is sweet. The color. Man, look at this. I love that color. I mean, I guess so that's why I got a Beamer the same color, but man, look at this. I think my daughter Nina could appreciate this car. She would definitely want one. But let's see, what they got, 18-inch rims, 19-inch rims. Got 19-inch rims. They got great color, nice cut. I really like the front, how they got this cut. Unlike the Acura with the crazy rabbit tooth front end. This car they did right. Let's see if I can get inside to do the review. Man, I mean, the pinstriping, how they did that. Put the Accord in there. They did that. This is the totally revised Model 2. For 2018, they totally redid the car. It's got a lot of features. I'm just impressed with it. I would drive this. I would buy this for myself. It's just a nice car. Man, that car is nice. Got the, is that dual exhaust? You got dual exhaust. Got the orange light bulbs for the turn signals. Oh, it's locked. We got leather and cloth interior. Sport eco mode. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a look review of this bad boy. It's nice. That is nice color, nice everything. And we did not deliberately go and get the same color cars. She actually wanted a dark gray, but that deal fell through. You can see the video on that, but this color is way better looking. Of course, I knew it would because I had a silver BMW, and I got this silver BMW. So I like silver. But the stance on that car, everything about this Honda Accord, man, is sweet. And they're pretty cheap. This car retails for $28,900. Technically, it's like $26,000. But they put the pinstripe in, they put the tray in the back, they tint the windows, and it's something else that they add up to bring it up to 28. But technically, it's a $26,000 car. So if you're a good negotiator, like Megan is, you can get one of these for $26,000. A 2018 Honda Accord Sport. I'm talking about, it is loaded. The key fob is cool. Honda's pretty neat. I wonder what that thing there is for. Probably to get to the battery. Let's see what this thing looks like. That's unlocked. It's kind of hot out here, so this is gonna be quick. Now, I don't like 4-cylinder cars, but this one I would gladly take. Boy, there's nothing like a new car smell. I just messed a seat, put a seat all the way back. Look at here, look inside here, man. This car, I'm kind of speechless because the closer I look at it, the more it's like, this shit is bad. It really, really is bad. This is a nice car. I mean, you got this little tablet screen that pretty much does everything. I don't want to mess with it because I don't know what all it does. And I'm pretty sure she got it set up the way she wants. Got the Honda Link. Yeah, this thing does everything. I'm not going to mess with it. You got clock, phone, audio, music source, Apple Play, Android Play, Android Auto. Dude, you got everything. Here you go. SMS, Bluetooth, FM, phone, smartphone. Oh, that's tight. Clock. You got everything in here. That's pretty neat. Of course, the engine is 4-cylinder, but it's 4-cylinder, 1.5 liter. Nice torque. I haven't driven it yet, but I rode in it, and I can tell you that 185 horsepower, whatever it is, gets up and go. But Honda has always done that with their vehicles. You know, 4-cylinder vehicles, front-wheel drive. But the car moves out, man. It gets up and go. I really like this. And it's got all kinds of features. Got your lane departure. I don't know where it's at. Look at all this that's on the steering wheel. That's lane. I guess that's lane departure. This is auto collision. You got your volume control, your cruise control, your home button. The dash does some funky things that I don't really know about. And you got all your other typical stuff. Okay, so I don't know if that's a push or pull. Pull. But yeah, 2018 Honda Accord, 26K, you really can't beat it. Check out how the hood goes down into the fender well. I mean, they got like fancy cuts on this car that you would normally see on more expensive cars. That's the one thing I don't like about Honda is they always gotta have this little hood stand. They don't put the lock, so I guess that saves weight. The hood heavy as hell though. But yeah, there you go, 4-cylinder, easy to work on, easy to get access to. Easy to mod if you want to modify it. It's just nice. Got any washer fluid in there? Now I would say this is a good student car, but no, this is a good anybody's car. I mean, yeah, I love Honda Accords, man. Even though it's a 4-cylinder engine, you get instant throttle response. This is nice. I cannot express how nice this car is. This is really, really nice. And I mean, it's spacious. I rode in the back. Look at all the room you got in the back of this damn thing. And it's not a big car. I'm really impressed with this damn Honda Accord. I would love for my daughter to have one of these. She would probably love to have it too. Sonata. This thing here is the camera that it puts the speed limits by actually looking at the road signs. I think a lot of cars do it by satellite or whatever. This is a little different. Very nice car. Very nice car, very nice deal. I'm gonna go on a limb and say she's winning. Cause that is tight. Man, that's tight. So if you're sitting thinking about getting like a 3 Series Beamer, 2018 or whatever, which is damn near double what this costs. This is more bang for your buck. And just look at the car. I don't know if this video is really relaying how pretty this thing is. This thing is beautiful, man. When you see it going down the road, it's just, yeah. I would get one of these before I bought a 3 Series Beamer. I wouldn't even hesitate. So there it is, 2018 Honda Accord Sport. Now they make another one. I think it's called a ELX or ELR or something like that. But it's got sunroof, navigation, a bunch of more stuff in it. But I'll be honest with you, you're gonna pay probably 10K more for it. So you're gonna pay like 36, almost 40,000. And just look at this car, man. For 20 something K, you get this? Shit, it's a no-brainer.